In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel email notifications from eBay. If your inbox is filling up with updates you don't need, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to change so you only receive the messages that matter. First, open your browser and head to ebay.com. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. It's easiest to do this on a computer, but the steps are similar on mobile. Make sure you're logged into the correct account if you manage more than one. Once you're signed in, go to Account Settings. You'll typically find this by selecting your profile icon or username in the top right corner and then choosing Account Settings from the menu. This area controls how eBay communicates with you and how your account behaves, so it's the right place to adjust notifications. In Account Settings, look for Communication Preferences and click it. This page groups all of eBay's messages by category, which makes it easier to decide what you want to keep and what you want to stop. If the page takes a second to load, give it a moment. It's pulling in multiple options. Next, find the section labeled Buying Activity and click Edit. Buying Activity covers emails about items you're watching, bids and offers, order updates, feedback reminders, and similar buyer-related alerts. If you also receive selling-related emails, note that there's a separate section for those, and you can repeat the same process there later. Now scroll through the list and locate the specific notifications you want to turn off. You'll see options with checkboxes or toggles for different email types. Uncheck or switch off the ones you no longer want to receive. Take a moment to read the brief descriptions next to each option so you don't accidentally disable something you still find helpful, like delivery updates. Keep in mind that certain critical or transactional messages, such as receipts or required account alerts, may be mandatory and can't be fully disabled. When you're done making selections, click. Save to apply your changes. Look for a confirmation or a brief success message at the top of the page. If you don't see one, scroll back up to confirm your choices were recorded. Your updates usually take effect right away, but it can take a short time for previously queued emails to stop. If needed, refresh the page to double check that your preferences are still set the way you want. That's it. You've successfully canceled unwanted email notifications from eBay, keeping only the updates that are useful to you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner inbox.